Have you ever missed the perfect shot because your camera wasn't fast enough, stable enough, or simply didn't perform the way you needed it to? For vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators, capturing smooth, high-quality footage on the go is crucial. Enter the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a device that might just revolutionize portable video production. If you've been waiting for a compact powerhouse that combines cutting-edge AI, upgraded imaging technology, and a sleek new design, then this could be the game-changer you've been looking for. Today, we're diving deep into the rumors, leaks, and confirmed details about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, exploring why this tiny device is making such big waves in the tech world. Let's start with what immediately catches the eye: the design. A camera's usability often depends on how it feels in your hand, and DJI seems to have taken this to heart. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a significant step up from its predecessor's 2-inch display. This upgrade not only provides more screen real estate for framing shots, but also enhances visibility with a higher resolution of 480 by 800 pixels. With an 800 nit brightness level, users should have no trouble seeing the display even under direct sunlight, a must-have for outdoor shooters. Beyond the screen, the ergonomics have seen an overhaul. The grip now boasts a refined texture, improving stability and comfort for extended filming sessions. Button placement has been reworked for easier access, ensuring smooth operation even when shooting one-handed. While the device is slightly heavier at approximately 190 grams, this added weight contributes to a more balanced and stable experience, crucial for those long shooting days. Of course, design improvements are only part of the story. The real magic lies in the imaging technology. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to house a 1-inch sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. This combination is a major leap forward, promising superior low-light performance and sharper image quality. If you've ever struggled to get clear shots in dimly lit environments, this upgrade could be a lifesaver. With an expanded ISO range of 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, the camera is built to adapt to a variety of lighting conditions. Whether you're filming an intimate indoor scene or capturing breathtaking landscapes at golden hour, the Pocket 4 ensures clarity and detail in every frame. Color accuracy is another area where the Pocket 4 shines. Thanks to its 10-bit color depth, creators will have access to richer, more vibrant colors, perfect for those who enjoy color grading in post-production. The addition of D-Log-M and HDR recording further extends dynamic range, allowing for a more cinematic look straight out of the camera. These professional-grade features bring a level of depth and realism that elevate content quality, whether you're filming a travel vlog, action-packed sequence, or even a short film. But where DJI is truly pushing boundaries is in its autofocus and AI capabilities. One of the biggest complaints about previous models was their sometimes sluggish autofocus, especially when tracking fast-moving subjects. The Osmo Pocket 4 aims to eliminate this issue with phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking technology. PDAF enables rapid and precise focusing, reducing the frustrating focus hunting effect seen in older models. Meanwhile, eye tracking AI ensures that subjects remain in sharp focus even as they move, a game changer for vloggers who are constantly on the move. To take subject tracking even further, DJI is introducing ActiveTrack 7.0. This advanced tracking system merges phase detection with eye tracking AI, allowing the camera to maintain precise focus even on fast-moving subjects. Whether you're filming an intense sports sequence or a dynamic street scene, ActiveTrack 7.0 ensures that your subject stays sharp and centered throughout the shot. All these enhancements make the Osmo Pocket 4 an exciting prospect for content creators seeking a compact yet powerful tool. From its sleek new design and improved ergonomics to its groundbreaking imaging technology and AI-driven autofocus, this device is shaping up to be a must-have for anyone serious about capturing high-quality video effortlessly. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? If the leaks and rumors hold true, it's set to be one of the most compelling portable cameras on the market. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or an aspiring vlogger, this tiny powerhouse could redefine how you capture and share your stories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.